Friends, today we are going to edit this amazing photo editing tutorial by using Picsart application. This is the background. I will give background link in the description. First step, open add photos, select, and after that you have to select your model image and you have to erase the background. Now after this second step, you have to give a little shadow effect to the model image and simply follow the steps so you can give a little shadow effect to the model. Now select add photo and select further PNGs. All the PNGs are available in Xyaa Edit's website. You can directly visit to download the PNGs. Next step, select the layers and tap on duplicate and arrange like this. Now arrange the crown PNG on the head like this. Now tap on tick. And the next step, go to add photo and select Instagram screenshot. Take the screenshot of your bio and crop it and use the blend option multiple and arrange on the left side top. The next step, after arranging it, tap on tick mark and you have to give a little touch up. Go to tools, go to adjust and give a little touch up to the photo editing. So this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you really enjoy this. Subscribe and like the video. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.